Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best soil moisture meters that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Moistland Soil Moisture Meter. After testing a dozen moisture meters, this analog option from Moistland is my favorite for most houseplant and garden needs. I love how simple it is to use with quick readings, no batteries required, and features that make it great for both beginners and advanced gardeners alike. The meter has 4 different measurements controlled by a simple switch: moisture, pH, soil nutrients, and sunlight, and includes a helpful list with the optimal readings for a variety of plants. I think this is helpful for any gardener, including me, so you can make sure each plant is getting just what it needs. Moving on, at number 4, we have the XLUX Long Probe Soil Moisture Meter. My favorite moisture meter for large pots, deep root systems, and other hard-to-reach areas is the XLUX Long Probe Soil Moisture Meter. The probe is over 12 inches long, the longest on our list, and is durable enough for deep soil. It's held up well over multiple uses during testing. I also have the same meter at home and love how simple it is to use. This meter only detects moisture, but that also makes it easier to read. The colorful display indicates if the soil is dry, moist, or wet on a scale of 1 to 10. I think it's great for those new to gardening and more experienced gardeners who are just wondering if they're watering their plants enough or too much. We tested it on a fern and a snake plant. The dense roots of the fern made it a little more difficult, but we were still able to insert the tool deep enough to get an accurate measurement. Because it's over 12 inches long, it's not ideal for shallow pots, but it can still be used on indoor or outdoor plants, including shrubs, large container gardens, or garden beds. At number 3, we have the Netro Whisper Smart Plant Sensor. By August, I'm a little tired of double-checking that all my plants need water and the heat doesn't help, so I love the idea of the Netro Whisper Smart Plant Sensor, and I'm adding it to my cart right now. This tool allows you to get an almost complete picture of how your garden is doing while you are enjoying air conditioning indoors. Solar-powered and durable, this tool is designed to withstand long periods of outdoor use, and it has held up well. During testing, we found it easy to pair with our phone, and the app is simple to use, providing us with hourly updates on the soil's temperature, moisture, UV index, and pH. The app even lets us know when our garden needs watering next, based on the soil's moisture level and the type of plant. You can also track the measurements by day, hour, and month. At number 2, we have the Gain Express Soil pH and Moisture Meter. The Gain Express Soil pH and Moisture Meter has so many features that make it ideal for outdoor use. It's the second longest on our list, and the measurements are at the top of the meter, so you don't have to turn it or bend down to read it. We found it to be super durable and love that it tells you the pH level in addition to moisture. We used it on large potted plants since we just moved and are holding off on planting a larger garden this year. But we found it great for those purposes and love that it's versatile enough to test all around our property, including the grass, if needed. Unlike most meters we tested, which show results almost instantly, you need to wait 10 minutes to get an accurate measurement. But we didn't find that time frame to be that inconvenient. It could add up, though, if you move it around to get an accurate reading of a large area. If you want instant results and don't need the pH reading, you might want our best long probe pick instead. And finally, at number 1, we have the XLUX 4-in-1 Digital Moisture Meter. While I love the simplicity of an analog meter, no batteries required, a digital meter provides a clear reading that's hard to beat. Our favorite we tested is the XLUX 4-in-1 Digital Moisture Meter. This digital meter has an easy-to-read backlit LED display that displays the soil's moisture, pH, temperature, and sunlight levels. We first used this moisture meter in a pot, but we loved seeing the results so much that we used it in a shade garden, where we typically don't water, and in all of our many outdoor plant areas to get a sense of the moisture and pH levels. We do wish the moisture level section on the meter were more prominent. The temperature takes up most of the display with the sunlight level above and the moisture level below it. The pH level has a standalone reading that you can click over to display. That being said, it's still easier to understand than an analog meter in our opinion, with no guessing the exact reading on a small scale. We found this meter difficult to read on sunny days thanks to the glare, but this was common with all of the meters, aside from our best smart pick, which could be read from your phone. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.